To have on pants similar to these, simply take your shoes off and place both of your legs into one of the pant holes. Be careful not to fall. Now pull the waist all the way up, covering your chest. What about the remaining leg, you ask? Simply put your arm through it, and voila! You're rocking a fabulous asymmetrical look. Yep, no one's gonna remember your unfortunate spill once you walk out in. Ick! What on earth can I do to fix this? Ugh, I stink. Hey, maybe I can turn this scarf into something more useful. To make a quick shirt out of a scarf, tie two of its corners together in a double knot like this. Then twist it around and put your head through the hole you've made. Now use the extra material to cover up the front of your shirt. Don't forget to pull the rest of your hair out. Wow, Lana, this thing looks better as a cover-up than a scarf. Off and put both legs into one side. Now pull them up over your chest. Take the unused pant leg, scrunch it up, and slide your head through. Whoa! Super stylish for PJs, that's for sure. And put it over your head. With both hands, pull both corners under your arms and in front of your chest. Tie them together in a knot, like so. Now here's the fun part. Take this knot and slide it over your head. Check it out! You've got a new funky vest to hide those unsightly pit stains. Save time by wearing your oversized t-shirt in a new way. Slide your arms through the neck and down to your waist. Now tuck those pesky armholes in. Well, what do you know? Cute pockets. Seriously, easiest outfit change ever, right? Let's go! Straps off your cotton undershirt and slide them over your head to either side, like so. That's it! Who knew going from daytime to a giant cuff like this? Next, take one of your hair elastics and wrap it around the middle of the cuff before rolling it back down over it. Keep going, and the elastic will catch the bottom